Tutorial on how to connect to the internet. 1. Download the Tuya Smart app and log in. Search for Tuya Smart in the App Store. Click Download. Users who have already downloaded the app can open it directly. Allows Tuya to use Wi-Fi and cellular networks. Allow notifications to be sent to you. Allow critical alerts to be sent to you. Users who have not registered before can register an account first. Users who have registered can log in with their account and password. Turn on the Bluetooth of your phone in the settings. Click My and then click the Edit icon in the upper right corner. Scroll to the bottom and select Privacy Settings, then turn on Access Notification Permissions and Access Bluetooth Permissions. 2. Operate the smart lock to enter the network distribution mode. Touch the digital area to wake up the smart lock, press the and keys, enter the administrator password, press the key to confirm, and enter the system. Press 2 for wireless settings and press 1 to add a network. The smart lock has now entered network configuration mode. 3. Operate your mobile phone to enter network configuration mode. On the home page, click the plus sign in the upper right corner and click Add Device. Wait for the Smart Lock 100 device to pop up. Click the Smart Lock 100 device. Select your home 2.4 grams Wi-Fi, enter the Wi-Fi password, and click Next. Waiting for the device to be added. After adding successfully, click Completed. The phone has been successfully connected to the lock and will automatically jump to the operation page. 4. Remote unlocking. Press the doorbell button and receive a video intercom call on your phone. Click the green answer button on the screen to see the dynamics outside the door in real time. Click Original Voice to select a voice change according to your needs. Click the speaker icon to hear the sound outside the door and turn it off to mute it. Click the photo icon to capture outdoor photos. Click the screen recording icon to record the dynamic video outside the door. Click the microphone icon to conduct remote intercom. Click the unlock icon to remotely unlock the door with your mobile phone. You can also click the unlock icon on the main page to remotely unlock the door with one click. Click Album Log to view the door opening information. 5. Video surveillance. Click Video surveillance to actively check the situation outside the door anytime and anywhere 24 hours a day. 6. Member management. Click Member management. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner and select the member type according to your needs. Enter the name and account number as required. Click Family Roles to select administrator or ordinary user, then click Save to return to the main page. 7. Temporary password. Click Temporary Password and enter a 7-digit password, or click Get Random Password. Select Valid Time and Invalid Time as required. Enter the password name. Click Save, and then click Success to use it. Unlock with Temporary Password. 8. Intelligent linkage. Click Smart Linkage, select the scene according to your needs, and return to the main page. 9. Settings. Click Settings and select Settings according to your needs. 10. Delete the device. Click the Edit icon in the upper right corner, click Remove Device, select Unbind and Clear Data, and click OK to delete the device.